Assalamualaikum. Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you are doing great and stay blessed at home. Okay, dear students, today we are going to learn in your math class very interesting topic. Why it is interesting? Because it's new for you. Because today we are going to learn about money. So today is our topic about money. About money. So today we will learn about money. Okay, first I will tell you the importance of money. Why money is important? Because for the living, money is important, because if we don't have money we can't buy a home. So if we have money, so we can buy a home. We rented a home for our living. So if we have a money, we buy different stuff like eating stuff. We can buy different clothes for wearing. So money is important for our living. So in different countries, different money's name, like USA country used dollars, so their money names a dollar. So like Canada, they also use dollar. England, they use pound, their money called pounds, their currency name pound. So different countries variate the name of their currency. So like India, Pakistan currency called rupiah, and UAE currency called dirham. So different countries currency name have different name. So Pakistani currency name is rupiah. So Pakistani rupee is called rupiah, and we used coin as well. So student, money is important for the living. So we can use money in different ways, because we can buy clothes, we can buy our food, we can buy our home, we can buy our car, different vehicles. So money is important to buy everything. So today we are going to learn about money. So from your book we are going to learn the names and the shapes and the colors about money. So let's learn money from your book Countdown. So take out your book Countdown. So we will learn about money from your book. Okay student? Yes students, now we will learn from your book Countdown. So take out your book Countdown from your bag. Hurry up, I'm waiting for you. Okay, and now open the page number 94. Page number 94. Okay, we will learn on this page about money, as I have told you about the importance and the use of money. So on this page we will see coins and notes and their shapes. Okay, coins, first I will tell you, coins are made of metals. Okay, coins are made of metal, and first coin here is 1 rupee. Okay, this is a 1 rupee coin, you can see that, and it's made of metal. Coin is made of metals, and it's a 1 rupee coin. It's a 1 rupee coin. And in the next, 2 rupees coin. This is a 2 rupees coins. This is a 2 rupees coin, and it's also made of metal, and you can buy different candies from these coins. And in the third picture you can see 5 rupees coin. Which coin? 5 rupees coin, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupees coin and 5 rupees coin. So in Pakistani rupees there are 3 coin we used. 1 rupee coin we used, 2 rupees coin we used and the 5 rupees coin used. Okay, so here you make a use of coin and makes different rupee over here. So use 5, 2 and 1 coin to make over here. Okay, so now let's move next page, page number 95. Okay, here you can see notes, different Pakistani rupees in note form, or you can say a paper form. Okay, so first here a 10 rupees paper note. Notes are made of papers. Notes are made of paper. So first picture I have 10 rupee note. 10 rupee. You can see it's a paper note. It's a paper note and you can see it's a 10 rupee note. Here you can see written over here 10 rupees and in this you can see the picture of Quaid-e-Azam, because Quaid-e-Azam is the founder of Pakistan, so that is why here is the picture of Pakistani rupees. Pakistani rupees, yes, Quaid-e-Azam. So this is a 10 rupees note. Okay, in the second picture you can see another note. Which note is this? It's a 20 rupees note. It's a 20 rupees note. And here you can see written over here 20 rupees, and 20 rupees note look like this. It's in different color from the 10 rupees because we can differentiate the note with the colors. So here you can see in a green color, here you can see in orange or a green, in a yellow, mustard, different colors in 20 rupees and written over here as well. So you can differentiate note with colors or written over here as well. It's a 20 rupees note. So notes start from 10, now 20. Now we will move on a bigger one. It's a 50 rupees note and you can see over here written over here 50. It means it's a 50 rupees note and you can see the different color as well. It's a purple color. Okay, so it's a 50 rupees note and you can see the picture of founder of Pakistan, Quaid-e-Azam as well on this note. It's a 50 rupees note. Okay, now we'll move on another big note. It's a 100 rupees note. It's a 100 rupee note and you can see written over here 100 and the different color as well. So it's a 100 rupee note and Pakistani rupee is called rupiah. So I have also a 100 rupee note. You can see the different color of this note. It's in red color or in a pinkish, and you can see 100 written over here. so it means it's a 100 rupees note. Okay, now move another big note. 500 rupees. 500 rupees. RS means rupees. RS means rupees. It's a 500 rupees. So I will show you a 500 rupee note here. It's a 500 rupee note. You can see written over here 500, 500, and you can see the different color as well of this note. So it's a 500 rupee note, and you can see the picture of founder of Pakistan as well. Okay, now let's move another note. Okay, 1000 rupees note. 1000 rupees note. 1000 rupees. It's a 1000 rupees. It's look like this. 1000 rupees. Okay, now you can see 1000. It's a 1000 note, and you can see the different color of this note as well. So we can differentiate the note by their colors and written over here as well, and the size as well. When note is bigger, the side of the note is also bigger. So now you can see 5000 rupees note. It's a 5000 rupees note. It's a very big note. So here you can see the different color and written over here as well. 5000 rupees note. Okay, dear student, notes start from the 10 rupees Pakistani notes. Okay, Pakistani rupiah start from 10 rupees in paper note and the end in 5000 rupees note. It's a 10 rupees note, it's a 20 rupees note, it's a 50 rupees note, it's a 100 rupees note, it's a 500, then come 1000 rupee note, and then after 5000 at the end. So lastly 5000, it's a bigger note in all of them. Okay student, I hope you have understood about the coins and the note and the concept of money as well. Till then, take care and Allah Hafiz.